In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your first song in Suno using simple mode. We'll walk through the entire process from opening the app to downloading and sharing your finished track, and I'll add helpful tips along the way so you get a great result on your very first try. Start by opening Suno and heading to the Create page. You might see a button labeled Create or Make a Song. Both take you to the same place where all the magic happens. Next, choose your mode. You'll usually see Simple or Basic mode and Custom mode. Simple mode is perfect if you're new because it handles most of the heavy lifting and lets you focus on the fun parts, describing the song and shaping the vibe. Custom mode offers deeper control, but to learn the flow, stick with simple mode for now. In the style prompt box, describe the music you want. Keep it short and clear and think in terms of genre, mood, and vocal type. For example, you could write upbeat pop song with a catchy chorus and energetic vibe, female vocals. Being concise helps the model lock onto your intent. Avoid stacking too many genres or conflicting moods. One or two clean ideas work best. Lyrics are optional. You can let Suno generate them automatically or paste your own. If you're writing, keep your lines simple and singable and make the chorus easy to remember. Here's a beginner-friendly example you can adapt. Verse: This is my first song today, I'm ready to find my way. Chorus: Shine bright, shine bright. Tonight is our night. Clear sections like this help the model structure your track naturally. When you're happy with the prompt and lyrics, click Generate or Create. Give it a moment to process, then listen to the results. Suno typically gives you two versions. Compare them carefully, notice the energy, the hook, and how the vocals sit in the mix. If it's not quite there, improve it. Click Regenerate for a fresh take, tighten your style description, or refine your lyrics. Small changes can make a big difference, such as focusing the mood or simplifying the chorus. Iterate until the performance and vibe feel right. Once you're satisfied, download the audio. From there, you can share it on social platforms or use it in short-form videos. For your first projects, keep songs short and catchy, avoid overcomplicating prompts, and don't be afraid to experiment with different styles. Each run teaches you what works, and you'll improve fast. That's it, you've just created your first song in Suno. Now go make another and keep exploring.